Welcome to Fever Radio's brand new location. Here it is, the first floor suite at 4547 Potty Newton Lane, Leeds 7, right next to the Northlight Arts Centre. And the great bonus, we now have a car park. Come on, up the stairs. On the left, we have Royal Voluntary Service, and on the right, we have Fever Radio Studios. Come on in. Welcome to Fever Studio. This is our waiting area where you can chill out like this, or you could chill out like this. Yes, you can. And now let me show you our open space office. One, two, three, four people comfortably working away, being creative and doing all the admin work we need to do. Now, let me show you the heart of Fever Radio. This is the outside, which is radio waves all the way up. Absolutely wonderful. And here in the studio, let me show you the heartbeat of Fever Radio. This is
Hi, I'm Sammy Roy, playing the best of the 90s here on Fever FM 107.3, only for all you lovely, beautiful listeners out there.
brilliant.
Good.
Is she good? She's so good. Come on. Right next to the main studio, we have our training room. And watch this. Off, on, LED lights. Have a look. Can you see it? Yeah. Now this is our studio. Come on round. You can see for yourself. This is where the production work, the training, and the creative pre-recorded shows happen. Now let me show you our wonderful kitchen. In here, ta-da, bright, clean, and we have air fryer, microwave, fridges, kettle, toaster, and of course, we have brand new toilets. You don't believe me? Come on, let me show you. We built this from scratch. Brand new toilets just for the ladies. Yes, absolutely gorgeous they are. And now, let me show you the men's toilet. Ta-da! So good, so clean. Just what we always wanted. We work every day, 365 days a year, unless it's a leap year, then it's 366 days in a year, and entertaining, inspiring, educating, but most of all, keeping our listeners informed. Welcome to Fever Radio.